Welcome to Mathotropism. Today's sum is two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. So we'll read it once again. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points. We have two circles, one of center O and another of center O dash, overlapping in such a way that they are intersecting at 2 points or cutting each other at 2 points A and B. And the distance between their centers is 4 cm. So O dash is now 4 cm. We also know if we join OA, it will be equal to 5 cm, which is nothing but the radius of the first circle, and similarly O dash A will be 3 cm, that is the radius of the second circle. We'll join AB where AB is the common chord here. We need to understand what is given and identify the concept with which we can prove. So we already know that there are two circles intersecting at A and B and we need to find AB. So how we will proceed is, we will think about what we know. So with respect to a circle's center and a chord, we know only two alternate theorems. One is that the perpendicular from the center of the circle bisects the chord, and alternately, if a line drawn through the center of the circle bisects a chord, then the line is a perpendicular to the chord. Now here we don't know that O dash is the perpendicular to the chord or not. So we will now take C as the midpoint of AB and join OC and O dash C. We know since that is the center, then OC is perpendicular to AB. Similarly, O dash C will also be perpendicular to AB, since from the theorem which we have already mentioned, that the line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Now since both ACO and ACO dash are 90 degree, it means what? All the three should lie on the same line because they are linear pair. So it means what? The C will be actually lying on the line joining O dash. So OC and O dash are lying on a line. So it means what? Angle ACO will be equal to angle ACO dash, and that will be equal to 90 degree. So if OC is x, then O dash C will be equal to 4 minus x. Now since it is right angles, we can see that angle triangle ACO and ACO dash both will be right angled triangles, and we can use Pythagoras theorem to find AC, and from after finding AC we know that AB is nothing but twice of AC, so indirectly we can find AB. So this is how we are going to proceed. So forming of equations and finding the values. Given is two circles of radii 3 and 5 cm intersecting at A and B. OA is 5 cm, O dash A is 3 cm and O dash is 4 cm. Now we need to find the length of the common chord AB. So what we have considered is, we will be taking C as the midpoint of AB and we are joining O dash, OC and OC dash. AC is nothing but half of AB, or AB is nothing but twice of AC. When we are taking the solution, angle ACO is equal to angle ACO dash, which is equal to 90 degree, since the line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. So O, C and C dash lie on the same line. So it is nothing but the distance O dash is 4 cm and C is lying on that line. Let us consider OC to be x, and then the total distance is 4. So automatically OC dash will be equal to 4 minus x centimeter. Now we will be taking the two right angled triangles, triangle ACO first and then triangle ACO dash. So when we take the first triangle, OA square is equal to AC square plus OC square. From 1 and 3, where we already know that OA is 5 centimeter and OC is x. When we substitute, we get 5 square is equal to A square plus x square. So AC square is nothing but 5 square is 25, 25 minus x square. Let us keep this as equation 4. We take the right angled triangle ACO. So O dash A square is equal to AC square plus O dash C square. So that comes to 3 square is equal to AC square plus 4 minus x the whole square. So 3 square is 9. So that is equal to 25 minus x square, because AC we have already found from the equation 4. So 25 minus x square plus of 4 minus x the whole square is written in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that comes to plus 16 plus x square minus 8x. So 8x is nothing but, rearranging, we get it as 25 plus 16 minus 9, since the x square terms get cancelled out. So that is nothing but it is equal to 32. So which means what? X is equal to 4 centimeter. So since x is 4 centimeter, substituting in the equation 4, we get AC square is equal to 25 minus x square, which is equal to 25 minus 16, which is equal to 9. So what will be AC? AC will be square root of 9, which is 3 centimeter. So when we substitute in the equation 2, where we found that AB is twice of AC, we get AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the common chord is 6 centimeter. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share.